Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ron Amok. Myself and 6 friends took a ride up to Idyllwild. It was a beautiful day, Friday, April 7th, Good Friday. From the 10 freeway, we headed south on Highway 243. The Banning Idyllwild Panoramic Highway. The views are spectacular. You climb from the valley up to 5,000 feet in almost no time. I was out in front leading the pack, and I realized that I was going to have a one-dimensional video if I didn't get everybody else to pass me and interact with me on the bike, so we decided to pull over and talk about it. Fortunately, there wasn't much traffic on the mountain that day, so we were able to safely pass each other on the long stretches. There's 3 different ways to get up to Idyllwild. All 3 of them are very beautiful, and the conditions of the road are perfect. Riding up the north side is by far my favorite. I love the views and I love the sweeping curves. Riding the west side from Hammett is also a very beautiful ride, with lots of switchbacks and hairpin turns, and the views are equally as stunning. And third, the south side from Anza to Idyllwild, a much more steady incline and less twisty. Lisa was leading in front. She has a great eye for touristy things. She decided to pull over and check out Indian Vista Point. Check out Vista Point.
What did you used to have?
All right, we're headed down Indian Vista up on our way to Idyllwild.
Hello.
Lisa Gunn. There's Nick. Jasper.
Your camera with a snowball.
Saul back there. Bass.
Yeah.
And Royal Pain in the Ass.
Yes,
Hey.
Royal PIA for sure.
All right.
Here's the snowball.
I don't know how far this is we're going to.
Get up there.
shit, I know the loud music is annoying, so you guys can all go ahead of me. Cause I'm cranking the tunes, man.
It's okay. It's okay. Look at these rocks, man.
Playing the rock on the road. Okay, what am I looking for? Bigfoot?
Yeah, I'm always looking for Bigfoot.
Oh, okay. You guys see that spacecraft over there?
So,
Everybody turn around now.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but a couple of miles back,
Oh, you will.
Wait, film him. Film me.
look at the valley.
Yes.
Cool.
The nasty humanity down there.
Oh, I still have the photos I haven't given you.
Oh shit! See that lake?
Yeah.
What lake?
Which one is that?
That is Diamond Lake Reservoir.
That's Diamond Valley Lake.
Is it already?
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yay, okay. Can we get down this way?
That's right by my house. We're close to it.
Clumsy.
You can take a shortcut if you want.
Yeah. Let's take off hiking.
You first and then I'll jump on you.
Down there.
And here's the newlyweds. Lisa's visor broke on her brand new modular helmet. It was blocking her view. Fortunately, she was able to pull over safely. Arriving at Idyllwild Village. Idyllwild is a great little town. It has that mountain life charm to it. You could spend all day just looking around their numerous shops and eating at the different restaurants. This is the Red Kettle restaurant where we intend to eat lunch. There was a little confusion on just where to park, but eventually we got our act together. Now let's go fill our bellies.
All right, here we are at the Red Kettle up in Idyllwild, having lunch. How's everybody's dinner, by the way?
Dinner? Good.
Lunch, whatever you call it.
You blew it, Ron.
2:30, so it's supper.
Supper. You must be from the south.
It's Lubber.
Yeah.
I gotta make good Benedict quarantine.
No trip to Idyllwild is complete without stopping at our favorite ice cream parlor. I forgot to shoot video, but it's called Idyllwild Ice Cream, right next to the Rustic Theater. If you're ever in Idyllwild, you gotta stop and try this ice cream. We arrive at Mountain Center. Mountain Center is where all three roads up and down the mountain converge. We pulled over because we have to say goodbye to our buddy Royal. Royal has to go to work tonight, so he's going to take the 74 down to Hemet and on home. And then there were six. A six-pack. I feel very fortunate to live in the Temecula Valley area with all the great riding around. But Idyllwild is still one of my favorites. As you're heading down the south side of the mountain, the road is long and straight. Beautiful views of expansive forests and meadows. With little to no traffic on the roads, it gave us a chance to horse around a little bit. And Jasper is the first to fly by me, followed by his lovely wife Lisa, and then Nick, Saul, finally Sebastian. Jasper rides up beside me and signals for me to turn my comm on. He tells me to pull up ahead and that Nick is going to ride a wheelie. And here comes Crazy Nick. Damn, that boy's got skills. That was cool. Can I signal for him to do it again? I want to make sure I get it on film. And he doesn't disappoint. The next one is even better. It was a great day to ride the local mountains with good friends. Please hit the subscribe button and follow me on my two-wheel adventures. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.